If you're thinking for a really remote adventure, one that requires you to be away from a power source for days or even weeks, perhaps there is no cellular signal where you're headed, and you need a single device that can not only track and guide you, but also communicate in an emergency, all whilst charging only via solar. Well, here's one such device that does all that and more. This is the Garmin Instinct Solar. It is a rugged outdoor smartwatch that can go up to 54 days in the smartwatch mode. So let's unbox this and see what we're getting inside. So the Instinct Solar is a specialized product from Garmin, and it's basically meant for really remote areas. So this is in the camo color. It's a rugged GPS wearable device, charges via solar energy, so really in a niche of its own. Let's unbox it and see how it's packaged. That's how you get the Instinct Solar in the packaging. And similar to the Phoenix 6S, this has also got some packaging to hold it in place. Let's unstrap it so that we can release it from its shackles, so to say. And there we are. That's the Instinct Solar out of its packaging. Okay, inside the packaging you will get Beat Yesterday stickers in black and white, and also Garmin stickers. So those 3 stickers are in the box. You get the manual for the Instinct Solar. It's a quick start manual. Besides that, you get this charging cable inside the case, and it uses the same proprietary connector that Garmin uses for its watches, and it gets connected to this connector right here. So let's peel off the packaging, and that's how it looks once you reveal the sticker away, and the Garmin watch instantly comes on. This is one watch that will last for weeks and weeks if you expose it to the sun, so it's really in a niche of its own. Let's put it on and see how it looks on the wrist. So there we are, that's how it looks on your wrist. Fiber reinforced polymer case, chemically strengthened, scratch resistant Corning Gorilla Glass, and a battery powered by the sun creates a device that's built to endure. Bold colors, high contrast displays, and purpose-built design bring to life a non-traditional smartwatch that turns heads at every glance. Now let's talk about the headline features. Solar charging in the Instinct Solar gives you unprecedented battery life. The military standard toughness lets you play rough without worry. It has multi-GNSS support with GPS, GLONASS and Galileo. It comes with built-in sports app to make activity tracking a breeze. Connect to your phone to get notifications straight from your wrist. And now let's explore all these features in a bit more detail. Variable based on sun exposure, Instinct can provide unprecedented battery life to those that explore under the sun. Instinct is built to US military standard 810 for thermal, shock and water resistance, rated up to 100 meters. View how various settings and sensors impact your watch's battery life, so you can make battery extending changes on the fly. Use preloaded activity profiles for surfing, swimming, running, biking, hiking, rowing, strength and more. Get heart rate data along with alerts if your heart rate stays too high or too low whilst you're at rest. Gauge how hard your heart is working during activities, even underwater. For altitude acclimation or sleep monitoring, a Pulse OX2 sensor uses light beams at your wrist to gauge how well your body is absorbing oxygen. Heart rate variability is used to calculate your stress level score, so you can see if you're having a calm, balanced or stressful day. Optimize your body's energy reserves using heart rate variability, stress, sleep and other data to gauge when you're ready to be active or when you may need to rest. Access multiple global navigation satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS and Galileo, to track in more challenging environments than GPS alone. Navigate your next trail with ABC sensors, including an altimeter for elevation data, barometer to monitor weather, and 3-axis electronic compass. Track back routing. Take the guesswork out of your return journey by using this feature to navigate the same route back to your starting point. Receive emails, texts, and alerts right on your watch when paired with a compatible device. Pair Instinct with an InReach device, which is sold separately. Active satellite subscription is also required. To view and send messages, get weather alerts on your wrist, and trigger an SOS to the GOS 24/7 emergency response team. Easily see your plans for the day with a dedicated calendar screen. There are many quick fit accessory brands available for the Instinct Solar that let you match your style, and they require no tools to attach. You can also see your stats and track your goals in the Garmin Connect app. And the Garmin Explore app lets you map, track, sync, and share from almost anywhere. All in all, for the most hardy adventurers, there's simply no better option when things get really remote. Follow the links in the description to find out more and to make a purchase.